What's up, guys? So in this video I want to quickly show you how you can upload a blog post on WordPress. All right, so in case you do not have a blog, right, or you're just getting a blog for the first time, a WordPress blog, and you're thinking about how to upload this blog seamlessly so that it's gets a high chance of ranking on search engines, then let me show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to be showing you practical examples, so let's head over to my computer and let me show you. This is the very first thing I'm doing, right? My WordPress dashboard, and I want to upload my first blog post ever, right? So yes, the first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go and install a plugin, okay? Because I want to optimize my blog posts on the back end. I have already done on-page optimization, but I still want to do like back-end optimization with WordPress, right? And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a plugin, and there are a couple of them, but I'm going to use Used SEO for this one, right? So I'm just going to head over here to plugin and add new plugin, since I don't have any plugin at all here. So you'd see a couple of plugins, right? So I'm going to go to search for plugin, and then I'll search for Used SEO, just like this. And here you go. So I'm going to install this so that I know that I now have like Used SEO installed. So you can see here that it's now installed, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Okay, so now I know that I have activated Used SEO. Now this is going to help me with more. Yeah, look at this, you've successfully installed. So it's now easier to find start first time configuration. I'm going to click on that, although I can always do this later, right? I can always do the whole configuration much later, right? So I want to use the free version for now. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to come back to this later because I'm on the, yeah, continue. All right, so you know what, guys, I'm going to come back here, right, to do this, to continue this setup later. But for now, I just want to upload the blog so that you can see. So if you check very well, you see that when we go to plugins now, you can see Used SEO, and that's because I have now installed Used SEO. So I now have a plugin. I'll do others later, but for now, let's upload. So when you go to posts, you're going to go to add new post, right? And I'm just going to upload my blog on here, right? So it's pretty easy. If it's a new blog and everything, you're going to add a title and then just start typing. Now you can see this right here. This is because I have Used SEO, right? So this is going to help me keep my SEO in check. So they are checking to see that I have obeyed all the rules to enhance my content to be seen, right? And some of the features are premium, so it's only the premium version of Used SEO, which I would later consider. I would see, like, look at the prices and see if it's something I want to incorporate, and if it is, I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade my plan from free to paid. Guys, if there's something I'm learning, is that getting paid plans, premium packages, it's irreplaceable, right? When you can just upgrade to a paid plan, it gives you way better results, right? So yes, I'll just leave that for now. Let me focus on posting the blog. So the blog that I'm going to post here, I already have like I've already written before, so it's not a fresh blog. So let's go back to my Google Docs and go and select the blog. I'm not writing it now. I've already written it, so we'll just go select the blog, and then we'll just upload it, copy and paste on my site, right? So let me find the blog. First blog that I want to start with: 5 must-have pages for startup website in 2025. It's very aligned with what I want to push out this year, so this is what I'm going to put out, right? Like I said, I wrote it a long time ago, so we're just going to copy and add this to and add this to our WordPress. Okay, so here, well, for title we have this 5 must-have pages for startup websites. Then we're supposed to start typing now, but of course I'm just going to head on um to Chrome on my own, and I'm going to copy everything here. I'm going to copy everything here so I can just paste and edit on my WordPress. All right, so that's what I've done now. Copied everything, head on to WordPress, paste. This is it. This is it. I love how they picked some things and just highlighted them, right? So yes, for the major editing, I'm just going to change this to an H2. Of course, this cannot be a normal post, it has to be H2. So if you go here, you'd see heading on the left hand the menu there. Okay, so here we have an H2. Then this one as well, we need to make this one an H2 as well. So let's do that. And we have this one. The third one is an FAQ section, and you're also going to make that an H2. And then finally the about us page, this is also an H2, right? So yes, this is me basically, putting things in order. So let me just read through the post, right, and see if it meets every derogation, all of my standards, and then we can go on to, for Yoast SEO, right? This covered, we're going to go ahead to the SEO title and meta description part, and if you just scroll down here, you'd see, so you can add a focus keyword. Now for this blog, you can see that I'm talking about pages, web pages for startup websites, right? So I'm just going to say my focus keyword here is going to be my primary keyword, which would be startup websites as our primary keyword. Okay, then we are going to go to, if you go here, you see that this is exactly how your blog is going to look, right? So they're giving you like a preview of what your blog will look like. So you can come here and our SEO title, let's clean all of this, and our SEO title, we can put it as this is great, this is a good SEO title. So the slug, we can just add startup websites. We can do this for the slug. This is what we are going to have here, startup websites, right? And then we can go ahead and add a meta description of websites in 2025. Build trust and attract customers with these pages. All right, so yes, so they're saying we have to change this to 5, and that's okay. This is where I want to add my image, and so this is where I'm going to add it. Click on image, and you can either choose from someone you have, and or you do it from their collection. So WordPress is actually linked to Pixabay, so they have images from there as well. So let's pick up one. I am just going to use this because I already used it in my preview. So click on it, click on select, and here you go. This is actually very big, so you can size it up, you can reduce, make it smaller. You don't want to take up the whole space with just images, so you can actually make it a bit smaller, right? So if you go here, you'd see that they are all text. They've already filled it in for you, but you can also add some alt text here, something to increase your chances of this article getting seen. Add something like website copy, copywriter for hire, copywriting, blog writing, just add it to what you already have there. And I think we're good to go with this ones. All right, so we've done this, so we've ended up adding the image, and so now we need to preview. We need a preview of this. Here we need a preview to see what this is going to look like. So if you go on here up here, you see view, so you can choose whether you want to preview desktop, tablet, or mobile, and then preview a new tab. That's what I'm going to do. And so they are going to open this document up for us in a new file like this. So here, so this is actually a preview of this image. I like it, but I think I'm going to change the background color to just white. Let's just make it white and black instead of this cute peach, right? So yes, that's it. When you check again and see that everything is over, you can just come on here and hit publish, and your blog post is live. So yes, that's it guys. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you clicked the subscribe button if you did. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.